A very good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today in this session I will show you exactly how I place a trade, what is the reason behind of placing the trade, what will be my take profit and what will be my stop loss. So today in this session I will cover four topic. So I will not first of all let me tell you one thing. Today I'm not going to take any live trade. Today's sessions will be only for the teaching purpose. So I will cover the four topic and I will do a back testing, and back testing will help you to let you know what exactly I do, and it will help you too also. So I'm on the Euro USD. Okay, sorry. As you can see, I'm on the 1 hour chart. I don't know where am I, and I have just now see a opportunity. So what is the opportunity? I can see this particular area acted as a support, okay, which is also acted as a resistance. See, this area acted as a support and this is a resistance, this is a support, and price right now breakout with this area. Okay, so this is the reason I will place my sell order in this area, this particular area. If I would place my sell order, what will be my take profit? I would close my trade in this particular area. Let me show you which place I'm talking about. This one, because this is the nearest support which I can see. They see. So I have made a profit in couple of hours. So let me show you another thing. So as I can see, price is going uptrend. Okay, and this particular area acted as a support, which is previously acted as a resistance also, and let's see what's gonna happen. And this is also a nearest resistance zone which is currently created by market. Not this one. Okay, alright, price is ranging in this zone. See, price is ranging in this zone right now. I could not place any trade in this zone. So as I can see, price is break out this particular support zone. What I will simply do, I will wait till price not reach to this particular area. Once the price will reach to this area, I will place sell order. And what will be my stop loss? If the price is go beyond this line, then I will close my trade in loss. So just now price is touched this line, and this will be my take profit. So you see, price does this line and give me a profit. This is how exactly support and resistance work. You always get a quick profit and move away. So let's switch to the another pair. I would suggest you to do back testing. Back testing will help you to identify how exactly market is reacting. And one thing I would like to tell you, that please make your rule, make your discipline, because if you do not follow your discipline rule, you will not able to survive in this forex market. And you never gonna win every single trade. Sometime it will make you loss also. This is how exactly support market work. So in this particular area I can see price is broke out. Okay, so let me find out the nearest support zone. So let me mark this area. Okay, so I have marked this area. Now I have to find a support zone. I will go backward. Okay, I couldn't find anything till now. Alright. So this is not the right place. What I will do, I will make my buy zone in this place, because this is the area price reacted, not once, many times. This place, this exactly place. See, 1 2 3. Let's see how many times more it works. Sorry, this area. Let me remove these lines. Okay, I have removed all the lines. So let's find out which area I'm talking about. I would reliable on this area, this particular area. Let's see how exactly this work. Okay, now I am too much reliable on this area. So I will simply do, I will wait. So prices broke out this place. I will wait. Exactly. Did you see that? Price reached this area and boom. And this will be my only take profit zone. So exactly this is how support and resistance work. And did you understand where you should place a buy and how to identify that? Let me give you another example, and let's switch to the GBP JPY. This is a very high volatile pair. It will give you a very quick profit. So let me delete all the lines. Okay, right now I can see this particular area has been broke out with this pair. No, not right now. Price is ranging this place. Okay, so I can see that this area was previously acted as a resistance. So I have to find a support zone. Where should I place a buy order? So this is the area I can see. I would place a buy order. So after broke out, I will place my buy order to this area, and what will be my take profit? It will be this place. So let me mark this area. So this will be my take profit zone. Okay, alright, I'm so sorry, I made a mistake. This area, because this particularly support zone has been broke out by this area. Might be priced to reach this area and come down. So as you can see, price, I have placed my buy order to this area, and price exactly reached to this area and after that went down. So this is how exactly support and resistance work. Let me show you another example. It will help you out. So let's go back. Alright, right now what I can see, let me zoom out a little bit. I can see this particular area acted as a support zone, and right now this particular area acted as a resistance, and price is just break out this support zone. So what I will do, I will simply wait till price not reach this area. Once the price will reach this area, I will place my buy order, and this will be my take profit. Exactly, let me show you which area I'm talking about. This area. Let's see, price reached and I have placed my buy order. Boom, I made a profit. Because why did I place my take profit in this particular area? Because this area previously acted as a support, which is breakout by this candle. So hopefully price will break out. Price just now break out this area and reached to support zone and went up. Might be touched this area and went down. So this is the reason I placed my take profit to this particular area. So let me give you another example that will help you out. Being as a scalper, you always watch your computer or laptop in whichever you are trading, because it is risky. It is risky because if you do not watch your computer or laptop, you cannot able to identify where you supposed to take profit and where you supposed to close it. So now in this area, what you can see, support zone, right? Very good. So this particular area acted as a support zone, which is previously acted as a resistance. So right now price has broke out this area. So what I will do, I will wait till price not reach to this particular area. Once the price will reach, I will place a sell order. So right now price is reached to this area. I have placed my sell order. Right now place my sell order, and this will be my take profit. Which one? Let me show you. This will be my take profit. Boom, you made a profit. Move away. This is what I'm talking about. Let's give me another example on odd USD, and this will be a last example, and after that I will close this section. Okay, if you find any difficulty, any problem, please comment me. I assure you I will definitely help you. And if you are new in this channel, I would request you to please like, subscribe and comment. That will help me to motivate, me to show you exactly what I do and how do I survive in forex market, how do I take a trade. That will motivate you. So I requested you, if you like this video, please comment me so that it will inspire me to create a new video. So right now, as I can see, this particular area acted as a what is acted as a support. Very good. This particular area, but by the way, price is touched this area. Did you see? Already created as resistance. So right now, this is the also place price is acted as a support. Let me show you the current moment where I could show you the exactly what I do. See, did you see this area acted as a support? Okay, so now I have to find out the nearest resistance to this particular area. So I have marked this area. Okay, now I will go back. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is, let me remove this first. Okay, right now I have marked this area. Okay, now I have to find out a nearest resistance to this area. Did you see exact this area acted as a resistance? So what I will do, I will simply place a sell order in this area after breakout. Once the price is reached, and I have to close my trade to this area. And did you see any candle like this? Do not panic, because this area is also a support area which is broke out. This area, let me mark it properly. This area, boom, boom, boom. See that? So I hope so this video is very helpful to you. If you find any problem, please comment me. I will definitely help you out. And please like, subscribe to this channel, and please comment. It will help me to motivate me to create another video. So till now I'm going to close this session. I will get back to you tomorrow, might be tomorrow or day after tomorrow too, and on that day I will take a live trade in front of you. Okay, thank you so much and goodbye.